Stephen Neild, Finance Transformation Analyst from Electricity North West, currently just going through a buyout of Scottish Power. Currently we've got 2,000 employees within Electricity North West, but we've just been taken over by Iberdrola. Scottish Power will be integrating with them soon as well. We use CCH Tagetik. We've currently been using it for around about 15 years before my time. It was on premise. We've since moved to on cloud about 3 years ago. Currently we're using financial planning and consolidation, and also we do a big part of we're using the Power BI connector at the moment, and we're looking at using potentially a predictive AI forecasting model. To move it all to the cloud, we have to do a big cleansing exercise, which we took the opportunity to do so. We reduced a lot of the stuff that we was holding on to. We're now seeing definite benefits of being on the cloud, lack of downtime, consistency in the application. We're saving a lot of time on running scripts and applications. So yeah, definitely worthwhile, and it's interesting to see where we can actually move the application onto now. I think it's the ease of the application to use. It's quite easy to pick up once you've got used to the application, and then it's easy to educate others using it as well, so passing on that knowledge. The system performance is great for us. We have very little downtime, so we're not really worried about getting up every day thinking, is the system on? On the old system we were scared if it was there, if it was working. So the consistency, the availability of the platform, and I think the relationship that we've built with CCH Tagetik remotely, it's like a long distance relationship where we raise tickets if we do have a few issues, and they're really responsive in getting back to us. CCH Tagetik has changed the way we work, where it's improved stability. It's also given the team time to actually focus on things that they should be doing. It's improved their efficiencies by allocating them proper tasks and not just worrying about if the system's available. It's made their lives a hell of a lot easier when it's all available at the flick of a button. Before, it was a lot of Excel spreadsheets that were prone to error, so definitely recommend it, yeah. But moving from on-premise to cloud, that was a massive improvement. But also as well, we're currently doing a lot of work with the Power BI connector. We're using AI offline at the moment, where everyone's using little bits of it, like Copilot and stuff like that. Now, because we're part of Scottish Power as well, there's a requirement for us to forecast every month, and it's taking up so much time. So that is a potential for us to explore.